Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are back with the Mercedes, and yes, in today's video I'm going to disassemble this thing, or maybe not. I'll just remove the engine and go for the final welding on the frame, because disassembling takes a lot of time and I don't want to spend that much time. So let's just start with disassembling the engine, moving the engine out of the frame and welding the entire frame up. And I have a little bit plan to get the foot rest area, a sheet installed over here, and also the sheet, both sides of the sheet, and we will just see what else is there before installing this thing together, like putting the engine back inside. finally guys, I thought of getting this thing fired up and give this thing a test drive in this video, but there is still a lot of things remaining, and if I try to do that whole thing means it's going to be too long. The video is going to take too long, and because of that I'm going to end this video over here. Yes, I have just temporarily installed the accelerator cable over here and also a fuel pump, and this hose is just like this. Yes, the radiator connection I have done it perfect. It's everything mounted out, and even got a new pads installed which I took out from the scooter. So almost it's nearly ready for a test drive, but still the wirings are remaining. Without this I cannot just fire this thing up. So unfortunately I have to end this video over here. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.